What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a pretty cool project. As you can see, this this is a shop, metal building, and we are going to be installing heating and air conditioning. All right. And this project can really roll over into, it could be like a barn, it could be just a huge garage, it could be a workshop, like in this case. So you could do this project either way, or in all of those scenarios, I should say. So, yep, I'll show you what it looks like when we're all done, or as a step-by-step, I should say. All right, we got Mike. We got to run high voltage from our box here, and we got to run it to the new air handler location down there. The guys are about to put that up here soon, hopefully. What's up, Ariel? All right. Got the boys doing the line set right here. We still do it the old school manual way. Yeah, the pre-made ones. Man, Mike was today years old when he found out there was pre-made line sets. That's crazy. Oh my goodness, that was hilarious. That's crazy. All right, we're already hanging up. We already got our air handler hung on the back. Got the return on there. You can see, very, very neat. And now we got the first piece of duct. We're working on that right now. Okay, that's what this is starting to look like now. There we go. It's a little too bright. Making good progress. Spiral is complete. Well, almost complete. They're just cutting into the cans, so. And this does not have to be sealed because it is in conditioned space. So, you know, if there were to be a leak in the joints, well, it's just going to leak into this conditioned space, right? So no need for it to be sealed. And it'll look much cleaner if it's not. So that's the ductwork. Got the return on. I'm going to put the grill here in a little while. We got the line set ran. Let the braze it in still. We got the high voltage ran for the air handler. They're working on the drain. And we still got to run high voltage to the outdoor unit. And we still got to do that. So a little bit more to go. Still got to do the secondary pan. So, but it's moving along real good. Okay, so we are wrapping up for today. As you can see there, we are already cutting in our grills. We got a couple more we got to do, but that's what it looks like. And then we got our air handler, drain pan, secondary switch. As you can see, there's our primary, our line set. Left our thermostat ready to go tomorrow. I may not be here to see the completely finished and cooling and heating product, right? But hopefully Brian can do a 60-minute video when it's all done. So we got a little bit of work to do tomorrow. And no sense in even looking at the outdoor unit because it's not even, we didn't even touch that today. So there's our grill. And yeah, that's pretty much it. What's up, Brian? Nice. All right. You gonna do a little walkthrough tomorrow when you're done, Brian? Yeah. Make sure you do wide angle.
Okay, so we have our thermostat, 84 set to cooling. We have our line set on this side and then our PVC on the other. And then we have our unit, which looks very nice. We have our return on the left side, ready to go. And then our unit, we'll go ahead and zoom in. Looks very nice. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the supply. We strapped them. It goes all the way down to the garage with all of its registers. Cool. Give you a different view. Does a lot of mechanic work. There's another view from that side.